Okay, let me push it here. Okay. Yeah, that's the Mercedes. Yeah. So we need to push it like this. Everything have to go out. This is from here. Mercedes Benz. No starting. We have to do all this work. Now look here. This piece also, take a picture and see what it is. We have to buy it because it was merged in water. Okay. Now here. Okay. Take that piece out now. Let's see if we can drain it. And other side.
Other side dry.
Okay, let's see. We don't need anything here. We're supposed to be. Take it out. Don't let it fly. Okay, here also you see, we have those crown have to be good. Those wire get merged. We change it. The connector is good now. We have to take all the water there. Airbag modules, you see the humidity. My goodness. Yeah, it's coming from there. It's good you park the car like this.
Yeah.
So, and then we have to start doing all this work. Those things have to be replaced, regardless of. Yeah, this one was good. Yeah. See here. Yeah, look, they're good now. So look here. We made everything messed up. Communication. We put new here. Those are the old one. We're gonna clean this.
Ground on and duct beside that.
Okay, all the and you need to spray. You know there is something called lubricant. We're gonna spray. Yeah, we're gonna spray all this. And after that we have to we show all the wires. Huh? Yeah, after everything now we'll diagnose and then we go one by one. Also this one here you have to open it because this drainers when they clogged the hood can open. Yeah, you can come. Okay, this here. All this drainer have to be off. Yeah, because this can hit this one very badly. But look here. Look here. Because of the wiper can hit it. This is not a good place for it. This place here. This one here have to be clean out. You see the drainer. All the drainers must be good. Are you coming up the door?
No, allows power steering.
Okay. Because the point, yeah. Don't use it, okay. Start it. We have a message for power steering heavy. We start the car. Huh? It's good? The power steering? So this fuse here is for power steering. The power steering was heavy. Okay. So we're gonna put everything together. Hopefully this will fix. We put a brand new battery. No, we're gonna look at it. If there is any code, if there is one, we're gonna open it. That if you need it, take a picture and see what is it for. Then the different put a charger, put a heater inside. Let him heat up the car. Okay, this is one of the steps of fixing this car. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.